Okay, I'm here at Science World. It's been a while since I've been here, so it's up to me to find where to go, what I'm going to do. I, I'm hoping that the dream tomorrow today is up here in the feature gallery. It says it's up there, so let's head up there and see this new exhibition for kids, Dream Tomorrow Today. It's meant to be really good. Whether I will actually participate in any of the activities up here, we will see. I'll treat this as a interactive tech video, as this is the field that I'd like to get into, which is the interactive technology behind exhibitions. So let's have a look at the board. So there's only two sections of this museum that I'd like to see. One is the Creative Technology Gallery, which I like to visit when there's something on. Like last one I went to, I think was quite a while ago, was the Pixar, behind the scenes at Pixar. And then there is the Dream Tomorrow Today. So let me see if I should go to... I might start off with the Creative Technology Gallery and concentrate on that, and then go to Dream Tomorrow Today and see. Okay, let's go in and have a look. Wow. Okay, let's go into Dream Builder. Alright, the Creative Technology. So there's a little bit about the sponsors, and now I'll just work my way through it. Wow. I can see I'm going to spend a bit of time in this actual section of Science World. Oh look, there's Expo 86. So this reminds me a little bit like down in Melbourne they have a image and movie, I think, academy. I think, is it AIMC something? I can't remember it. I never can remember it but I've been there, and this reminds me very much of the animation and interactives down there. So not a lot different to that, but I think this one's cuter. It's really cool. Wow. And now I see why kids love coming to Science World. In Sydney we don't really have anything like this. We just have the MCA, which is the art gallery for contemporary art, and we have the new section of the art gallery, the New South Wales Art Gallery, but we don't actually have a Science World equivalent. So this is pretty cool. I might have to visit this again after I go to the other exhibition. So wherever I travel, the little stars on the floor follow me, which is very typical. A lot of artists use this, creative interactive artists use this technology, and the full screen projections. And then there are the touch screens. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay. Okay, what's in the next? Oh, it's into the next pavilion. Okay. No entry. Okay, so exit. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is still part of the technology gallery or whether this is part of tomorrow today. Oh, this is tomorrow today. Okay, so that was very small exhibition. So let's see where the entrance is. Is the entrance? Yeah. Okay. So okay, so we'll start this way. So on the ground, welcome to the Future Lab. It's in French and English. Everything in Vancouver, or most things are in French and English. So let's see what's going on. Dress ups, okay. 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 And what are we supposed to do here? So wear a future costume. You need one to travel to the future and blend in. I think these costumes are a little bit too small for me, so let's proceed without any costumes. To pick up a wristband, okay, interesting.
对，或者就是上才艺啊，就之前我是有去打网球啊、游泳啊。
Love the architecture. And I'll just wait in line to get a wristband, see what you have to do. Oh, it's digital, okay. Well, they walk straight past, so let me see what this does. Scan your wristband. Okay, press English. Welcome, STEM thinker. Take my photo. I'll press no photo. Okay. Just got a photo of my hand. That's okay. My name is. I will put Lulu. Okay. Press done. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the wristband. Okay. I want to help solve future challenges and win planet powers to help the Earth. Okay, let's go health. Let's go. I want help. What does that do? Okay, so what do I do? What? Not doing anything? Gee, am I done at this game? It's not doing anything. Okay, let's try. Nope. Okay, that's done. Sort of. Okay, let's see what happens here. It's a climbing wall. What does this do? Slide into the future. Okay, we'll skip that. Bit too old to climb into the future. Let's go around the corner. Put my wristband on. So. Okay, what else is here? Wow. Try not to get too many people in the shots. I just want really the technology behind it. Okay, help planet Earth. Let's have a look. Scan the wristband. Okay, so scan the wristband and up comes this. Can you use your STEM skills to help me? I'm in. Just put that in there. What does this do actually? I really don't understand. Oh, okay. So that one worked. The other one was a bit fussy. So human energy use is warming the planet. Okay, so and plants that you use to grow in your area. How can you use step? Oh, it's too fast. Okay. Choose your solution to solve this challenge. Okay, I'm ready. Human energy use is warming the planet and some plants cannot survive with plants in the... Oh well. What I'm finding with this technology is it's actually scrolling a little bit too quick to read. I don't know if that's intentional or not because you do need to pick. So I might just pick one and see what happens. Okay, so it gives a comment. No comment? Oh, here we come. Okay. Okay. Now what? Oh dear. Okay, let's see. Alright, so the rating has changed at the top. Okay, I think that's a little enough of this. I'll just get out of it and we'll move on to the next. Should we go out to the other activities? I must be pretty bad at going to these interactive kids activity exhibitions. So I'm having trouble just scanning wristbands. So maybe I could find a kid that's willing to show me how to use this technology or answer the questions. Interesting. These remind me of those plastic kitchenware gadgets where you place your glasses onto the drying racks and they have these fancy little spikes that you put them on to dry. They're cute. So you just pull them up and put them in.
Look at it's little flowers.
There's a grocery store that you can buy food. Build a city your size. Okay. Interesting. Place your boxes and cans here to recycle. Well, adults do that already. So yeah, that's cool. So where do we get the cans from? Do we just get them out of here and put them in? What does it say? Veggie fast food. Nature points 5. Okay. What happens when you take one of these and put it into the... Do you want to do this for me? I'll film it. Go for it. It's actually taking a lot of energy just to get it down the conveyor belt into the box. This is what recycling is like in the future. I don't like it. This is definitely no return and earn deposit machine back in Sydney, where you just pop your bottle or your can in there and then don't even have to press a button, and it spits out a receipt for you and gives you credits for a voucher, or you can donate. Thank you. Not quite in the thing yet, but push it in. Okay. And there's another one for compost. So place your compost produce here to compost. Let's have a go. Maybe. Oh, this is going to be even harder. Yeah, I won't be able to do this if I'm filming. So same kind of principle. Okay. This reminds me very much of one I did. Was it in Melbourne? I went to some exhibition where you actually can put your face onto the screen. So this is very similar to that. Because I didn't take the photo of myself, it'll only come up as a hand, which would be very strange. But let's actually scan the wristband and see what comes up. Okay. So it comes with a message. Thank you for helping using your stem cells to impact our... Okay, future. Okay, you're welcome. Right, now what do I do? Will that actually go onto the screen eventually, or... Sure. Let's touch. Let's get you dressed for the future. Okay, show me my STEM identity. Okay. Okay, so I'm cooperative and creative. Yeah, that's definitely me. Cooperative and creative. Okay, to future world. Okay, press that again. See what happens. Ooh, it's beaming me up, Scotty, or it's transporting me to somewhere. Where has it gone? Do this last. Okay. Okay, is it up on the screen? No. Let's have a look. Not yet. Oh, there it is. So that's me in the future. Interesting. Okay. Let's get on to another part. We're back at the beginning now. This is it says do this last because this is the exit. And the other side is where I came in. So it's where they return all their little costumes, and I don't know about the wristband. Do we return that? Or do we get to keep it? Who knows? Okay. If I forget, I forget. What else is there to have a look? I'm very interested in this future grocery shopping, future supermarket. Let's see what is on offer. Okay, so we have some ice cream that never melts. Now, I saw this advertised. It's not a real product, by the way, but it will maybe a product in the future, a realistic product in the future. Sticky fingers are a thing of the past. Yeah, that is a problem with ice cream, especially with kids. Okay, what else do we have? We have veggies, fast food, which is, I think that's what I picked up over on the other side for recycling. It was meant to go in the compost, I think, not in the recycling. So yeah, let's have a look. You can read that. Is it saying we should eat less meat and more vegetables? Well, that's been an ongoing thing with increase in vegetarianism and veganism. and the fight to produce less methane from cows, such as animals such as cows, and other livestock. Then we have, what else do we have? We have some drinks in a can. What is this? One drink provides all the nutrients you need in a day. Okay, so is that like Pediasure or Ensure, or some other drink supplements people take to increase calories or nutrition? Okay, here's another one. Ice cream dots. Oh, okay, why would you want that? We do already have sort of similar product, I think. We already have the freeze-dried little dots of ice cream that are served in containers, but this is, what else does this do? Is it sour? Okay, so genetic modification of products? I don't know. Now featuring lemons that isn't sour. Create an ice cream you want. Interesting. Okay, so it's not what I thought it was, not freeze-dried ice cream. Dots. Okay, what else is there? Space food. Now I saw this advertised as well. When they say space food, just add water. I thought it was like space food sticks. Obviously not. It's probably dehydrated camping food, maybe. Interesting. Okay. Space juice. Juice you can drink while not breathing. Interesting. Okay. Pizza.
This is the food in future for us. We need to
Okay. Pizza tacos. The only limit is your imagination.
create and ice cream.
Okay. Magic microwave cube. Okay. Interesting. What else have we got? There's a few other products here. There is more ice cream, so personalized experience. Okay. What's this? Food gum. Okay, or gum food. Yeah. Okay. So there has been experimentation in this type of food as well. Interesting. So I think I've covered everything almost, it looks like. Yeah, there's pretty interesting products in there. Okay. I guess this is where you be creative and see what you can make as a meal. I don't know how that operates, and there's not many or not anyone that's making anything here, so interesting. Okay, over in this area, what is this? Is this a game? Oh, this is building the. Sorry, this looks like to be a very long YouTube video, but it's worth it. It's actually a lot of fun. Not just for kids, I think adults could probably do some stuff as well here. We'll learn some things, but it's mainly for kids. There is a... Okay, what do you think this is? This is actually a ball bath, I think. I've seen plenty of these. I'm actually scared of these because some of the ones I've been to are actually quite deep and you sink, and I have never been able to get out of the deep end of one, so I stick to the shallow ends. Future maker space. Okay, I'm assuming this is like the giant Meccano area where you build your own things, create your own objects and things. Interesting. Kids are really creative, so they can actually make anything from nothing, or nothing from anything. So this area is like a little play area for them to be creative and use their innovation skills. This is what STEM is all about. But then in Canada, it's actually not known just as STEM, it's STEAM. So it includes the arts as well. So in order to be, it's not all about technology, so it's also about creativity as well. So you have to include arts, because without arts there's no innovation. It's just pure technology, so there's no creative side to it, so you need to include the arts. This reminds me of something that I've been to in, I think was it in Sydney or was it in Melbourne? I've been to so many of these interactive exhibitions, so a lot of fun. Yes, so there's another one. Okay, what else is there? I don't know what this is. Okay, a weaving area. So, how to weave. Oh, okay. So you can make your own woven chair to sit on. It's more weaving. Weave new places to hang out. Okay, interesting. So there's a bit more of these. Let's just go back to that to get rid of the last person that used it, and then scan my. There we go. Okay, comes up with the caption. So there's probably very little or no typing. It's all press button on these interactive screens and scanning, and you just answer the question by just tapping and selecting things. So learn about plants that use less water. Okay, hotter summers there will be a water shortage. Can you help? So I would say all of them, all the solutions will be necessary, but it says hotter summers, there's a water shortage. Can you do the help? Well, you can collect rainwater if there is any, but you would also look at the other two solutions as well. I think what happens is if you do it properly from the start and you select certain answers, it will determine at the end what kind of a person you are. So it was only based on, I think, maybe one or two answers that I put in when I went to the end and actually scanned my wristband and went into the future. So see how my rating has changed by choosing different options. So my happiness score apparently is like way up there. My nature score is only at +3, 4, 5, it's moving. My equality is like up there as well, but not as high as happiness. Then I have health, which is pretty low and it's declining. Uh-oh, that's not good. So the health and the nature actually equal last at the or almost equal last at the moment. So I need to do something about it. Maybe I need to go back to the food and actually select something for there to prop up those two, or one of them at least. So Earth, okay. Scan my wristband. Let's see what happens if I do it again. Nature. Okay, so it's another question. Maybe there's a series of questions as well, possibly each section that you have to answer. And they're all different. No? Okay. So if I change my answer, my rating should change as well. So let's have a look. I'm going to select B, develop guidelines for water usage. Now let's see what happens to my rating after I change my answer.
We won't be driving. We're flying.
Sometimes it's a little bit slow, the answer coming up.
Someone took over the track. My name's not associated with it.
Okay, wait until it gets to the next screen.
There's no blank thing.
Okay, let's have a look. So the equality changes, it's going up. Or is it going up? Okay, so yeah, it looks a little bit better this time. The health, happiness.
Negative on everything.
No? Okay. Yeah, so rating just changed there, as you can see. Two of the criteria went up. Okay. What is this? Okay, this is probably where kids draw how they see the future. Let's see. Okay, so let's see how kids see the future. Looks like a happy person. Is that a snowman? Maybe? Climate change, possibly? Robots? Yes. More robots, possibly. Yeah. Okay, I don't know how serious these pictures I draw are, but yeah, a lot of them quite interesting. What is this actually? You are now an adult. Okay. All right. So,
I think your boots are over on the other side here.
what has this got to do with a bubble bath? A ball bath? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's the exhibition. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so there's a lot of people, quite a few people around. It is a bit of fun, a lot of technology involved behind the scenes. But if you have kids, and you live in Vancouver or planning to visit Vancouver, especially if you're from Australia and you're in Vancouver at the moment and you watch my YouTube video, or if you're about to come to Vancouver or you live in Vancouver, this new exhibition is great for kids, so I highly recommend it. Even as an adult, I did enjoy looking around it. It's very fun. Yeah, very fun. I see that this little thing has changed colour, I think. So, oh yeah, I'm still not sure what this is. Oh, remove trash out of the river. Okay, sure. Okay. So you have to find stuff amongst the bubble balls and fish it out. So okay, so that's it. Another video for today. I will see you in the next one.